In this review, I'll be explaining what this tool is and how you can use it to leverage your video marketing endeavors sky high. But what is Vidnami? Vidnami is an online video creator software that helps you create fast, easy and professional-looking videos within minutes. It takes all of the features of other video makers and combines them into one awesome online tool that every internet marketer or small business owner needs. Yes, finally you don't need to download or install anything on your computer. With a fun, intuitive, simple and easy-to-use interface with a step-by-step approach that can take your existing blog posts or pre-written scripts into professional-looking videos within minutes with just a few mouse clicks without absolutely zero editing experience. There is nothing more frustrating than spending days, weeks and even months waiting for your SEO efforts to finally pay off. Only to then realize all of your hard work didn't get you any actual results. Just a few visitors here and there, but nothing really exciting or consistent. Let's face it, SEO is getting harder or it is simply not working for you anymore. It takes you a lot of time, which is precisely what you don't have a bunch of. It costs you money, whether you need to hire an internet marketing consultant, a SEO agency or if we're talking about the money you're not making. It doesn't offer guaranteed consistent results and you're not going to be able to benefit from them, not even much later down the road. You can easily lose your hard-earned Google rankings if you don't do it right, then your SEO work is never actually finished. The problem with SEO is that Google is a ever-changing machine and with each update it becomes more demanding for sites that aim to rank high. Simply put, things are not as easy as it used to be, and if you think things are hard as it is, they are only going to get even tougher. How can video marketing help you? For internet marketers, websites, blogs and small businesses, it is crucial to offer easy-to-digest content. This is where video marketing comes in. You can create great videos even if your budget is low and you can't afford a professional. You don't even have to use, or learn how to use, a complicated and expensive video editing software. First, simply log into your video creation and click the Create a New Video green button. Click Create a New Video. The tool uses a step-by-step approach. Go to the Script section. You can see the other options on the left sidebar menu, and paste or write your video title and script. Write, or paste, your video name and script into the editor. If you want, you can search and pick any images from their giant picture gallery where over 112 million royalty-free images are available, or choose one from your computer. You can add an image to your video and add videos captured with your smartphone, tablet, camera or webcam if you want. You even are able to add your own video clips to your Vidnami videos as well while you record your video's audio one slide at a time. This greatly eliminates the frustrating process of re-recording entire videos whenever you don't like how it sounds or make a mistake. Record your video's audio one slide at a time. You also have the ability to add a background soundtrack. Click Generate your video to conclude. When the process is over, click Download your video. Upload it to YouTube, Vimeo, Dailymotion, Facebook or your own server. Vidnami is an amazing user-friendly tool that you can easily use without any prior video editing experience that is sure going to help you get rankings, views and much more traffic to your website or online business. You can use it from anywhere in the world to produce a quick video and have people viewing and getting to know you and your brand better in under 15 minutes. With this tool, video marketing for small businesses becomes much more accessible and affordable. I highly recommend Vidnami for your video marketing efforts and campaigns. Click the link in the description below to sign up today and receive a 14-day trial 100% free and no credit card required. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.